In this video, I will show you how to create a double exposure effect very quickly. As you can see, this is the background video. And this is the second video that we will work with. Second video starship will be placed on top of the background video. Click on the window menu from the menu bar. Then click on Effect Controls. The Effect Control panel has come to the left side. Next, click on Opacity. Go to Blend mode and click on Lighten. Now you can see your video is double exposure. Thanks for watching the video.